How to see your time watched on YouTube app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your time watched on YouTube app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to YouTube. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top and click on your profile picture right here, and here you will find many options. All what you have to do is choose time watched option right here. And now as you can see here, you will find your daily average and all the informations about your time watched. And yeah, that's it. And if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you later.